So, good afternoon, students. Now, look, children, you must be having, as I told you, sewing machine or some washing machine or some other machines in your homes. And it must have stopped making noise when someone had oiled it, isn't it? So the poet was wondering about the mystery of the talking fan, and he realized that the mystery had gone away when it was oiled by someone. So coming to the next lesson, the invention of Veta-Worm. Now let me know how many of you have seen any movie in which the main character becomes invisible by uh, taking in some
Ma'am, me, Mr. India.
Mr.
Mr. India.
Mr. India, yes, right. Mr. India was there. And they take in some edible item and they become invisible, disappear. There are certain number of movies in Bollywood and Hollywood as well. Okay?
Ma'am, Avengers, they all get disappeared in front of Thanos.
Though I haven't seen it, Avengers, but actually some part of it I have watched it. I don't have that much patience to watch the whole movie, isn't it? So here in this story, Mr. Willy Wonka is a brilliant scientist. Okay, who is he? A brilliant scientist, an inventor. बहुत अच्छे inventor है ये. And he has invented a miracle mixture that turns people much younger. क्या करता वो? क्या invent किया उसने? He has invented such a miracle substance mixture that turns people much younger. And if I come to get it, I will definitely get it, isn't it? However, Wonka Whiting, मिश्वर का नाम क्या था? Wonka Whiting, the mixture is too strong, and some people whom it was given become so young that they disappear. Just imagine the situation that it had become, it made the people who have taken it, their age become in minus number.
Minus.
Minus. That means they had disappeared. Just imagine how was his invention. They had to wait years to take birth again. That's what, before starting the chapter, I am giving you this introduction, that it took some years to take birth once again. Mr. Willy Wonka. And before that, before we proceed, I want to give you some other examples as well. Now you see in our mythological characters, or if you have seen some these holy series on television, you must have observed certain characters are doing certain specific things who could uh, do something separately, unique, in a unique way. Like Hanumanji was having the quality of flying, even he carried a mountain in his hands. He brought a small medicine from that mountain and made Lakshman alive. isn't it? And we hear
Yes, ma'am.
so many stories from our mythological characters, holy books, holy scriptures. And this is only an example. Our country is full of extraordinary examples of such stories, isn't it? Do you remind of any such
Yes, ma'am.
story or any such thing?
Yes.
Hmm? In any of your locality, your local stories?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, the
doesn't matter.
stories must contain what? Means what is the main theme that the story must contain?
Okay, try to find it out today. We can discuss it tomorrow. Okay. So now Mr. Willy Wonka thus attempts to prepare another mixture which would make people older. Now earlier he prepared a mixture which made the people younger. Now he wanted to make a mixture that would make the people older. For this, he needs to search for answers of two questions. And to prepare that mixture, he needed to know the answer of two questions. And these two questions were, first, what is the world's oldest living thing? एक तो पहले उसको ये जानना था कोई चीज ऐसी बनाए कि वो लोगों को ओल्डर ओल्डेस्ट बनाए तो उसको ये तो पता करना पड़ेगा ना कि ओल्डेस्ट थिंग क्या है देन फाइनली second, what lives longer than anything else? He had to find out what lives longer than anything else. Okay? Then the answer to the first question are three trees, which are the oldest living things. Which are the oldest living things? जो सबसे पहले सबसे ज्यादा जिंदा रहने वाले सबसे पुरानी चीजें थी वो क्या थी? Douglas fir, oak and cedar. These are the names of the trees. These trees are found in hilly areas. If anyone of you have visited or gone to Himachal or Uttarakhand, or if you have seen in movies or television that these hilly areas contain very tall trees. Their height is very good. Pine, oak, cedar, these are the trees which are found in hilly areas. Then finally, he decides on bristlecorn pine. Which tree he is describing? Bristlecorn pine as the oldest living thing on the earth. Okay? It can live for 4,000 years. Kitne? 4,000 years. And is found growing on the slopes of Wheeler Peak in Nevada, USA. Okay? Where it is found? Wheeler Peak in Nevada, USA. Mr. Willy Wonka claims to have searched across the world to collect certain things from various oldest living things. What happened? Actually, he claims himself. वो खुद बता रहे कि अरे मैं दुनिया में कितनी दूर दूर तक घूम गया हूँ to find out oldest living things. Okay? He mentions a long list of living things, most of which do not even exist on reality and are a product of his imagination. Now he realized actually these things, what he wanted to find out, do not exist on the earth. Actually, these were the production of his imagination. They were the product of his imagination. Among the things that he says, he is collected. What does he say? He says that he has collected a pint of sap from a 4,000 years old bristlecone pine, a tall nail clippings of a 160-year-old Russian farmer, an egg of 200-year-old tortoise, the tail of 51-year-old horse, a 36-year-old cat, and an old flea which had lived on crumpets for 36 years, the tail of a 207-year-old giant rat from Tibet. कितने 207 years old rat, इतना बड़ा rat. Then an old flea which had lived on crumpets for 36 years. Okay. The black teeth of a 97-year-old grimalkin and the nickel bone of a 700-year-old Ketalu. So he declared that, he claimed that he had collected these many things. Okay. So these are the things which he believes that he had found out a number of things about the oldest things. So we shall be continuing with this, and you must have observed that such things are actually, do you think they can really exist? Kritika Ladda? Do you think such things can really exist?
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, there is ma'am, the bristlecone pine exists. It really exists, bristlecone pine, but other things doesn't exist.
Yes, bristlecone pine. It is bristlecone pine. Actually, as I told you, pine, cedar, these trees do grow in Himalayan region. Actually, in hilly region of Himachal, actually. And they live actually very long. But whatever the writer author mentions, it is very difficult for any survival of such an object for such a long time. Actually, this is a fictional, truly imaginative story by Ronald Dahl, who is the author of the story. It is Ronald Dahl. Okay. So I hope you have got it. When you come tomorrow, come prepared with a list of the things which he had collected, or the oldest things which he has mentioned. Okay. Fine. Make a list of
Yes.
make a list of it and have a reading of it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.